Hi, Dmitry is here. Next year is come, so it's time for next yearly testing of Vartas. If you seen this first time, I have a bunch of Vartas, and every new year I took one of them and measure the capacity. The idea, the idea behind this is this Vartas has a really long storage time, 10 years. So here we see the production date, April 20, and here we see best before. So storage term is 10 years. It's really long for local lines as for me. So I decided to check the capacity once in a year. So I took one of them, I measure the capacity, and we will see with time we will see how the capacity decrease over time. So let's check this one and take a look.
And here we are the test results, and as you can see they are quite interesting. At first year in 2023 we have less than 1% drop in capacity and less than 1.5% drop in energy, but in this year we have more than 10% drop in capacity and more than 10% drop in energy. I have no idea why is it like that. Just quickly remember the expiration date is 2030, so they can be in storage for 6 more years, but right now capacity drop is quite high as for me. Actually I quite interested in what we will have next year. If we have already 12% today, maybe it was just a bad battery, but I don't have too much of them to check another one. So let's wait 1 year and repeat this test. Thank you for staying tuned. Have a nice day. Bye.